This is not a rumor. This is not a leak. This is official now, an H-1B elimination bill that has been formally introduced in the United States Congress. Yes, the word is eliminated here, not reform, not tightened, not restricted. Ended completely. Now pause, take some breath, because if you are an Indian tech worker, a US student who was dreaming of Silicon Valley, a family waiting on an H-1B transfer, this headline, it hits really hard. You're watching Times XP. This is me, Dhriti Yatri, bringing Indian diaspora straight to you. So on Tuesday, a bill quietly entered Congress. No debates yet, no shouting, no voting at all. Just a formal step, but make no mistakes here, this is how law begins. Let's talk about what this bill really wants. The bill's name says it all: to amend the Immigration and Nationality Act to eliminate the H-1B program. No loopholes mentioned, no perceptions listed. The goal is simple here: shut the H-1B door. And you know who introduced it? Well, the bill was introduced by Republican lawmaker Marjorie Taylor Greene. Well, that is from Georgia. And here's the twist: she introduced this bill on the very same day she resigned from the Congress. Yes, one final political move before walking out. But you know why this matters? Because Greene is not a random name. She has been in office for 5 years, known for strong positions, known for clashing with leadership. She resigned, citing disagreement with President Donald Trump, friction with Republican leadership, and before leaving, she dropped this bill. A parting shot, maybe. You know what stage is this bill at? Let's be very clear: a calm fear with fact. This bill is at the earliest possible stage. It has only been introduced, formally referred. It has been sent to 3 House committees: Judiciary, Energy and Commerce, and Ways and Means. No hearings yet, no discussions yet, no votes yet. Well, this is step 1 that is out of many. But you know why everybody is so much panicking here? Because symbolism, that really matters here. For the very first time, a bill does not talk about limits here. It talks about ending the H-1B program itself completely. That alone changes the conversation in Washington today. Now let's dive into why H-1B visa is so much important. The H-1B visa allows the US companies to hire high-skilled foreign workers. People who work in technology, people who work in engineering, healthcare, finance, and even this particular visa builds Silicon Valley, America's tech boom, global innovation hubs. Now for Indians specifically, H-1B is the main gateway to the United States dream. And then there is Trump's role as well. Why this matters so much now? This is not happening in isolation at all. Back in September, Donald Trump, the US president, already tightened the screws here. He imposed a massive $1 million fee on a new H-1B application. The message, it was very clear: hiring foreign workers will not be easy from now. Now this particular bill, it goes even further, from pressure to elimination. But will this bill really pass? That's the million-dollar question. So right now, it has no hearing, no bipartisan support, no clear backing from any sort of leadership. Many such bills, they die quietly in committees, but the bigger fear is when failed bills leave impact. Well, they shape debates, they push the narratives, they harden the positions here. Now, calm down, let me tell you what H-1B workers should do right now. First of all, don't panic. This is not a law, not even close. Second, stay informed, because immigration policy in the US, it moves slowly until suddenly it doesn't. In the end, this bill may never become a law, but it tells you something important. The H-1B program, once untouchable, is now openly questioned. It is debated, it is challenged. In fact, it is targeted now. For millions who are watching from India and beyond, this is not just a bill, it's a warning sign. And Washington just sent a message. The immigration debate, it is far from over.